Hello, this is a video tour of number 45 Woodville Road. The house has got 3 bedrooms and is a period mid-terrace property. Leading to the house, you do enter through a gate to a shared pathway with a full garden on the right, past an original style wall. The full garden does mainly comprise of gravel with a border area. There is then the original style main entrance door with window and detailed plasterwork above, and that does lead through into the vestibule for the property. In the vestibule there are original Minton tiles to the floor. There is a further door with a glass pane and window over, leading through into the entrance hall to the property. In the entrance hall there is a ceiling light point with a rose, decorative coving, a picture rail, feature archway with decorative angel faces, and there is a radiator. The flooring is laid with checkerboard style tiles. Ahead you do have the staircase with stair rods leading to the first floor accommodation, and on the right there are doors to the dining room and also the living room, which you can see does have a stained glass setting in the door. In the living room there is an original style wooden sash window bay to the front. There is a ceiling light point with a rose, decorative coving, a picture rail. The floor is laid with wood. In the chimney breast there is a feature recess with log burner set on a quarry tiled hearth. On the right there is a built-in cupboard. On the left of the chimney breast are bookshelves. There is also a good sized radiator and a cupboard housing a meter. There is a step down into the second reception room. In the room there is a feature stained glass window above an original style door, providing access into the garden. There is a ceiling light point with the rose, picture rail, radiator, an original style wooden floor. There is also an inset original style cast iron fireplace with a wooden surround and tiled hearth. Here is the view out into the rear garden from the door. And from the dining room there is a door with a step down into the breakfast kitchen. In the breakfast kitchen there are doors opening into the garden at the end. On the right is a wood sash window in keeping to the house's age. There is also an inset original style cupboard. The radiator is located beneath the window, and there is a fitted kitchen comprising a range of wall and base units with wood work surfaces over. On the right is a stainless steel sink with mixer tap over and draining space. There is also space for a range style cooker hood over. And there are integrated appliances including fridge, freezer, dishwasher and washing machine, all located in the cupboards on this side of the room. Got the view out into the garden. Both the door and the window pane on the right do open. And in the far corner of the kitchen there is a large understair pantry, which does extend the whole length of the dining room to where the stairs are. Lastly, in here you do have a range of ceiling spotlights, 2 ceiling light points, and the flooring is laid with slate tiles. On the landing there is a ceiling light point with a rose, radiator, access to an overstair storage cupboard. At the rear of the landing there are steps down leading to bedroom number 3 and the bathroom. Bedroom number 1 is located at the front of the house and is accessed via a step up into the room, where there are sash windows in original keeping to the house to the front, ceiling light point with the rose, picture rail, surrounding the room. There are original style wood floorboards, inset original style cast iron fireplace with tile insets and a quarry tiled hearth, and there is also a radiator. Now the sizes of this room and all of the rooms are available on our sales particulars. Bedroom number 2 is located on the right hand side. In bedroom number 2 there is a window overlooking the side return of the property. There is a ceiling light point with a rose, picture rail, inset original cast iron fireplace sat on a quarry tiled hearth. There is a radiator located in the recess to the left of the chimney breast. The flooring is wood and has been painted, and there is space to get a double bed in the room. Bedroom number 3 is at the rear of the property. Again, double bedroom in here with a sash window to the rear. There are high ceilings in the room with a ceiling light point with a rose. And there is a radiator on the left hand wall. Ahead in the cupboard is the boiler, and the top half of the cupboard does provide shelving space. Lastly, the family bathroom does have a concertina door. There is an obscure sash window to the side, a ceiling light point. There are tiled walls to half height, column style radiator, tiled flooring, a low level flush WC, Victorian style wash hand basin with storage space below. There is also a panelled bath with a telephone style mixer tap over with a shower head attachment. The rear garden can be accessed via the kitchen, the gated rear entry at the bottom of the garden, and also from reception room 2. You'll see that there is a blue brick laid pathway with hedge on the right, and that does lead round to a blue brick laid seating area ahead. From there is a small step up to a gravel area with a central circular patio. On both sides of the fence there are climbers and hedgerow, and at the rear of the garden there is a shed, and on the right hand side you do have the gated rear access. Now that does conclude the video tour for the property. If you are interested in arranging a viewing, please call the office on the number provided, and we will look forward to seeing you soon.